Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Shopify Checkout to reduce cart abandonment, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect Shopify Checkout and reduce cart abandonment, begin by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Navigate to the settings section located at the bottom left of the dashboard. In the settings menu, select Checkout to access checkout settings. Review your checkout settings to ensure they align with your brand's needs. Enable email notifications for abandoned checkouts to stay informed. Scroll to that abandoned checkout email section and activate the email option. Customize the email template to reflect your brand's voice and style. Adjust the timing of the abandoned checkout email for optimal engagement. Consider sending follow-up emails to encourage customers to complete their purchase. Integrate a live chat feature on your site to assist customers during the checkout process. Utilize Shopify apps designed to recover abandoned carts for added functionality. Test your checkout process to identify any friction points that could lead to cart abandonment. Ensure your website loads quickly to prevent potential customers from leaving. Optimize your product pages by providing clear descriptions, images, and easy navigation. Implement trust signals such as secure payment options and customer reviews. Enable guest checkout to streamline the experience for new customers. Regularly analyze your checkout data to identify trends in cart abandonment. Use this data to refine your checkout process continually for better conversion rates. By taking these steps, you can effectively connect Shopify Checkout to reduce cart abandonment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.